Imagine you're a captain of a ship, sailing through a vast ocean of tasks and projects. How do you ensure everything stays on course, that no ship gets lost, and that the destination is reached on time? In today's fast-paced world, managing tasks and projects can feel like navigating a stormy sea. That's where tools like Wrike come in. It's like your personal navigation system, guiding you through the complexities of project management. What is Wrike? Wrike is a cloud-based project management software that helps teams of all sizes collaborate efficiently and effectively. It's a versatile tool that can be used for everything from simple task lists to complex project planning and execution. Key features of Wrike: task management. Create, assign, and track tasks with ease. Set due dates, priorities, and dependencies. Collaborate with team members on tasks. Project planning. Visualize projects with Gantt charts and Kanban boards. Create custom workflows and templates. Set project goals and milestones. Collaboration. Real-time collaboration with team members. Share files and documents. Comment and discuss tasks and projects. Reporting and analytics. Track project progress and performance. Generate custom reports and dashboards. Identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. How Wrike works. Wrike offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to get started. Here's a basic breakdown of how it works. Create a project. Start by creating a new project and defining its goals. Break down tasks. Divide the project into smaller, manageable tasks. Assign tasks. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates. Track progress. Use Wrike's features to track progress and identify any issues. Collaborate. Communicate and collaborate with team members throughout the project. Analyze results. Use Wrike's reporting tools to analyze project performance. Benefits of using Wrike. Increased productivity. Wrike helps teams streamline their workflows and get more done in less time. Improved collaboration. By providing a central platform for communication and collaboration, Wrike can help teams work together more effectively. Enhanced visibility. Wrike gives teams a clear overview of project progress, making it easier to identify potential problems and take corrective action. Better decision-making. Wrike's reporting and analytics features can help teams make data-driven decisions. Wrike use cases. Marketing teams manage campaigns, content calendars, and social media schedules. Software development teams track bug reports, manage sprints, and monitor project timelines. Creative teams collaborate on design projects, manage content creation, and track project deadlines. Small businesses organize tasks, manage projects, and improve team productivity. Wrike versus competitors. Wrike competes with other popular project management tools like Asana, Trello, and Basecamp. While each tool has its unique features and strengths, Wrike is often praised for its flexibility, scalability, and robust reporting capabilities. In conclusion, Wrike is a powerful project management tool that can help teams of all sizes work more efficiently and effectively. Whether you're managing a small project or a large enterprise initiative, Wrike can provide the tools and resources you need to succeed. Are you ready to take your project management to the next level? Try Wrike for free today and see how it can help your team achieve its goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.